Hello children, glad to meet all of you in your Maths online class. I hope you have completed the Maths homework. Students, write homework properly and send it WhatsApp number, okay? Be sure to write and send homework. You will be given a marks based on your homework only. So children, do it properly, okay children? I will check your homework daily. So send the homework properly, okay? Now listen. Now let's start our class. Let's see the continuation of the previous class, okay? In the previous class, we have studied about the system of numerations. Here two systems of numeration is there. One is Indian system of numeration and another one is international system of numeration, okay? So now, today, we will compare the two system of numeration and convert from Indian system of numeration to international system and international system of numeration to Indian system. Okay children? Now all of you look at the board. You see the first question. Write the number in words in both the system of numeration. Okay? One number is given. You have to write in words. Okay? You have to write in words. In both the system of numeration. Both system of numeration mean how many system of numeration is there? Two. One is Indian system and another one is international system. Okay. So in first one is Indian system. Indian system. Okay. So Indian system. In the Indian system, in the place value chart, start from write as ones place, okay? In Indian system, the place value chart start from write as ones place and then proceed to left, okay? In Indian place value chart start from write as ones place and then proceed to the left as tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It's children, your Indian system, in the place value chart start from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, okay. Now the first period, ones period, okay. The ones period consists of ones, tens, 100, okay. The ones period consists of three places, that is ones, tens, 100. So this is ones period. Next is thousands period. So thousands period consists of 1000 and 10,000 place. Okay. So this is thousand period. Next is lakhs period. So lakhs period consists of lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. This is lakhs period. Next is crore period. Crore period consists of two places, that is crore and 10 crore. Okay children. Now you write in words in Indian system. Okay. So your number is given. So first of all, you mark the period. That is very, very important. Okay. So now we mark the periods. Write the number. Okay. Now we mark the periods. To show the periods in a number, commas are used. Okay. So first period, ones period. Ones period consists of three places. Okay. In Indian system, ones period consists of three places. Okay. That is ones, tens, 100. So ones, tens, 100 after you put one comma. Okay. Now next one is which period? Thousands period. Okay. So thousands period consists of two places, okay, that is 1000, 10,000. So 1000, 10,000 after you put another one comma, okay. The next one is lakhs period. Lakhs period consists of two places, that is lakh and 10 lakh. So 10 lakh after you put another one comma. So next is crore period. This is ones period. This is thousands period. This is lakhs period. This is crore period, okay. So before the reading, first of all, you mark the periods, okay. So now you mark the periods. Now you read 43 crore before reading or writing, okay. Reading or writing with periods. Okay, children, reading or writing a number with periods, that is very, very important. Okay, so now you read 43 crore. Crore have how much? 43. Okay, so that's why 43 crore 59 lakh 63,628. Okay, your number is 43 crore 59 lakh 63,628. Okay, now you write the number name. Your question is write the number in words in both the system of numeration. Okay, okay. The first one is Indian system. So now write the number name. 43 crore. 43 crore 59 lakh. Okay, 59 lakh 63,000 63,628. Okay, 628. Okay, children. First of all, you write in words in Indian system. Okay, so Indian system, in the place value chart, start from writers ones and then proceed to letters tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so the first period, ones period, consists of three places, that is ones, tens, 100. Next is thousands period. Thousands period consists of two places, that is 1,000 and 10,000. Lakhs period consists of again two places, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now crore period consists of again two places, that is crore and 10 crore. Okay, now you mark the periods. The first period ones period, next is 1,000, after lakh, after crore. Okay, now you read the number, reading or writing a number with periods. Okay, so 43 crore 59 lakh 63,628. Okay, children, this is Indian system. Okay, now next, international system of numeration. Okay, now you write in words in international system of numeration. Okay, so I have no space, so now all of you take your classwork note. First of all, you write the notes. Okay, take it, all of you take your classwork note, write today's day and date. Okay, and write the heading comparing the two systems of numeration. Children, all of you take your notebook. All of you take classwork note. Okay, write today's day and date and write the heading comparing the two systems of numeration. After leave one finger space. Okay, then write the question. Write the number in words in both the systems of numeration. You write the number, then after you write the solution. Okay, Indian system. Then you mark the periods and write the number name. Okay, children, this is the rough work. You write in your rough work area. Okay, this is the rough work, children. You write in rough work area. Write neatly and write neatly. Okay, again and again I am saying write neatly. Okay, children, I hope you have written. Now you write in words in International System of Numeration. Okay, so next Indian system is over. Now you write in words in International System of Numeration. So International System of Numeration. What is the number? You write the number. Okay, now you mark the periods. Okay, children, Indian system is over. Now write in words in International System. So say the place value chart. In International place value chart, start from write as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so in the international place value chart, from write as ones and then proceed to the left as tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so your first period, ones period, consists of three places, that is ones, tens, 100. So this is ones period. Next is thousands period. Thousands period consists of again three places. Okay, so 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So 100,000, this is only which period? Thousands period. Next is million period. Okay, children, so in the international place value chart, start from write as ones and then proceed to the left as tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, now the first period is ones period. The period ones period is consist of three places. Okay, that is ones, tens, 100. Next is thousands period, consists of three places. Okay, so that is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. The next is million period, consists of again three places, that is million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, children, so now you write in words, you see the number. Now you mark the periods. Okay, first of all you mark the periods. So to show the periods in your numbers, commas are used. Okay, so now you mark first period, ones period. Ones period, how many places? Three places. Okay, ones, tens, 100. So 100 after you put one comma. Next is, this is ones period. Next is thousands period. Thousands period consists of again three places, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So 100,000 after you put another one comma. So this is thousands period. Next is million period, consists of again three places, that is million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, children, now you read the number. Reading or writing a number with periods. Okay, so 435 million. Okay, million period, how much is there? 435. Thousands period, how much is there? 963. Ones period, how much? 628. So now read the number. 435 million. Okay, so 435 million, 35 million, 435 million, 963,000, 63,000, 628. Okay, 628. Yes, children, you see the number 435 million 963,628. Okay, do you understand? Okay, now you continue the classwork. This is the first question only. So Indian system, the solution is Indian system. Then after you write international system. Okay, yes, write it. Your writing finish means after you continue international system. Write fast. Indian system எழுதி முடிச்ச பிறகு அதுக்கு பிறகு international system எழுது சரியா? This is the first question, continuation only. Place value chart rough work la எழுதிக்க. So write neatly children. Write beautifully and accurately, okay? Write without error. Write neatly and clearly. Along with your homework, you have to send classwork also, okay? Have you finished? Okay, the next question. See the number, what number is given, you write in words in both system, okay? So first system, Indian system. Indian system, okay children? So, first of all, you mark the periods. So your number is, question number is, okay? So now you mark the periods. So, to show the periods in a number, commas are used, okay? In the Indian place value chart, start from write as ones place and then proceed to left as tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore and so on, okay? So the first period, ones period, the period of ones consists of 3 places, that is ones, tens, hundreds. The period of thousands consists of 2 places, that is 1,000 and 10,000s. The period of lakh consists of 2 places, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs, okay? So next is crore period, okay children? So crore period consists of again 2 places, that is crore and 10 crore and so on, okay? So now you mark the periods. To show the periods, in a number, commas are used, okay? So the first period, ones period. So ones period, ones, tens, hundred. So ones, tens, hundred, after you put 1 comma. This is ones period. Next, thousands period, okay? So thousands period consists of 2 places. So 1,000, 10,000, after you put 1 comma. So this is thousands period. Next is lakh. So lakh period consists of again 2 places, okay? So lakh, 10 lakh, so lakh period. Next, crore period. Crore period consists of again 2 places, that is crore and 10 crore. Okay children, now you read the number. Read the number. Reading or writing a number with periods, okay? So, $73 crore, okay? 73 crore, 50 lakh, 2,517. Okay, children? 73 crore. Crore have how much? 73. Lakh have 50. Thousand have only 2. Okay. Ones have 517. Okay. Now you write the number name. 73 crore. 73 crore. 50 lakh. Okay. 73 crore. 50 lakh. 2,000. 73 crore. 50 lakh. 2,000. 517. 73 crore, 50 lakh, 2,517. 517. Okay? Okay. Now, Indian system is over. Now, you write in words in the international system. Okay? So, international system. International system, in the place value chart, start from right us ones place and then proceed to left us tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so the first period, ones period consists of 3 places, that is ones, tens, 100. The next period, thousands period consists of again 3 places, that is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then after millions period. Okay, so million period consists of again 3 places, that is million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, children. Now you write the number. Now you mark the periods. Okay, so mark the periods. First period, ones period. So ones period consists of how many places? 3 places. That is ones, tens, 100. So 100 after you put 1 comma. Next is thousands period. Thousands period consists of again 3 places. Okay, that is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So 100,000 after put another 1 comma. Next is millions period. Million, 10 million, 100 million. This is ones period. This is 1,000 period. This is millions period. Okay, children. Now you write the number name. Your number name. Reading or writing a number with periods. Okay. So 735 million. Okay. 735 million. 2,517. Okay, children. Here 100,000 and 10,000. Not the 0. Okay. So but only 1,000, that is 2 only is there. Okay, so 735 million 2,517. Okay, 735 million 2,000 517. 517. Okay, children, do you understand? Indian system, the place value chart only different. Okay, so place value chart தான் நம்மளுக்கு ரெண்டுலயுமே important. Okay, place value chart நம்மளுக்கு Indian place value chartல எப்படி start ஆகும்? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. But here international place value system, in the place value chart start from ones, then after tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so total different. Okay, so that is take in your mind and write it. Okay, children. Yes, write it in your classwork note. In first question, second one. Okay, write the number and then after you write in words in the both systems. Okay, do it. Write neatly. put a line when a question and answer is completed. Okay, children? So use the scale when drawing the line. Okay? Have you finished? Now the third one, same type of question. Write the numbers in words, okay, in both the systems, okay, children. The first system is Indian system, okay. So Indian system, start from write as ones, then proceed to the left as tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore and so on, okay. So the first of all you write the numbers. So, read the number. How do you read this? So, before reading, you mark the periods, okay? So, mark the period. First period, ones period. So, ones period consists of how many places? 3 places, okay? That is ones, tens, 100. So, 100 after you put 1 comma. So, this is ones period. Next, thousands period, okay? Thousands period consists of 2 places. So, that is 1000, 10,000 after you put 1 comma. So this is 1000 period. Next is lakhs period. So lakhs period how much? 75. Thousands period is nothing, okay. Now ones period have 2, okay children. So your number is reading or writing a number with periods, okay. So lakh have 75. So 75 lakh, 1000 0, okay. 100 0, 10 0. So how much? 2. So your answer is 75 lakh 2. Okay. So write the number name 75 lakh 2. Okay children, clear? Here the remaining all the places are 0. Okay. All the places are 0. In the places having only 0 is not mentioned in the number name, okay children. So that's why I am not mentioned in the number name, okay. So your question, the answer is 75 lakh 2. The next is international system. International system. So now you write the number. Okay, now we mark the periods. First of all, you mark the periods, okay. In the place value chart in the international system, start from ones, yes, ones, then after tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and so on, okay. So the first period is ones period. The ones period consists of 3 places, okay children. That is ones, tens, 100. So ones, tens, 100 after you put 1 comma. Next is thousands period. Thousands period consists of again 3 places. So 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So this is ones period, this is thousand period, this is million period. Here million period only one number only there, that is 7, okay. Now you read the number 7 million, 500,002, okay. 7 million 500,000, 2. Reading or writing a number with periods, okay? So that's why 7 is in million period, so 7 million. 500 is in thousands period, so 500,000. 2 is in ones period, that's why 2. So what's the number? 7,500,000. 500,000, 2. Okay, 2. Okay, children, are you clear? Yes. Now write it in your classwork note. In first question, third one. Write the number, then you write in words in both systems. Okay, do it. Indian system and international system. Write beautifully and accurately, okay? Put a line. One question and answer is completed. Okay, children? அழகா எழுது. நம்ம எப்பவுமே நம்ம எழுத்து அழகா இருந்தாதான் நாளைக்கு என்ன செய்ய முடியும்? அந்த மேக்ஸ் நோட்டை எடுத்து நம்ம பார்க்க முடியும். சரியா? சோ கண்டிப்பா எழுத்து எழுதுறத அழகா எழுது. Okay, children, now all of you take your book. I hope you have written. Now all of you take your book, page number 12. All of you take your book, page number 12, exercise 1.3. Children, all of you take your book, page number 12. All of you take your book, page number 12. I hope you have taken, yes, you see that exercise 1.3. You see exercise 1.3 sums. In exercise 1.3, see the first question. Write the corresponding place in the given columns. Okay, one has been done for you. First question already done. What is the question? Write the corresponding place in the given columns. Okay. So you see in your book, first one is International System of Numeration and second column is Indian System of Numeration. Is there? Yes. First A part. You see the A part, 1 million. In International System of Numeration, what is given? 1 million. Indian System of Numeration, what is given? 10 lakh. How? So you see that Indian place value system, okay? In the Indian place value chart, all of you listen. Indian place value chart. Okay, they start from right. Ones, see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Yes, children. The next you write in the international place value chart. All of you listen, don't write anything, okay? So your international place value chart start from same ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. Okay, children, all of you look at the board. Okay, this is Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart start from ones. Okay, ones, then proceed to the left as tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. International place value chart start from same ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, children. So this is Indian place value chart. This is international place value chart. Now you see the question. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Okay. You see that the international place value chart. Where is million? Here. 1 million. First question, A part. In your book, first question, A part. Okay. 1 million here. So what is the Indian place value system? 10 lakh. So 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. புரிஞ்சுதா? நம்மளுக்கு இன்டர்நேஷனல் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ சிஸ்டத்துல 1 மில்லியன்ங்கிறது நம்மளுக்கு இன்டர்நேஷனல் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ சிஸ்டத்துல என்னது நம்மளுக்கு 10 lakh. That is only given in your book. Okay. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. 1 millionக்கு நேரா மேல என்ன இருக்கு? 10 lakh. Okay, children. Now do you understand? Yes. Now you come to the B part. 10,000. Where is 10,000? Here. So 10,000. So what is the value of Indian system of numeration? Same 10,000 only. Okay, children. So in Indian system of numeration, 10,000 is equal to, in Indian system of numeration also 10,000. Okay. So write the answer. B part. In first question, B part, you write the answer in the Indian system of numeration column. Okay. 10,000. You write the answer. 10,000. In first question, page number 12. Okay. Page number 12. In exercise 1.3, first one. A part already done. Now B part. In the Indian system of numeration column, what will write? 10,000. Okay, you write in 10,000. You write in Indian system of numeration column. Okay, children? What's the answer? 10,000. Okay, next C. 10 million. So, you see the international. This is international. This is Indian. Okay. This is Indian, this is international. Now you see that international system of numeration, how much? 10 million. Where is 10 million? Here. Now you see 10 million க்கு மேல அப்படியே பாரு. Indian systemத்துல என்ன இருக்கு நமக்கு? Crore. So 10 million is equal to 1 crore. Okay. So your answer is 1 crore. 10 million is equal to 1 crore. Write it. 10 million is equal to 1 crore. In Indian system of numeration column, you write C question answer. Okay. 1 crore. Children, page number 12 in exercise 1.3, first question. Okay. You write in book. Book la எழுது உன்னோட Indian system of numeration காலத்துல உன்னோட answer எழுது. Okay. Next D. 100,000. 100,000. Where is 100,000 in international place value system? Here. So you 100,000. Your Indian place value chart how much? Lakh. So 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. So your answer is 1 lakh. Okay. Do you understand? This is international place value chart. This is Indian place value chart. So in the international system of numeration, 100,000 is equal to your Indian place value chart 1 lakh. Okay, children. So 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. So you write in the Indian system of numeration column 1 lakh. Okay. Now you come to E. E part. Write fast. First B part answer is 10,000 and C answer is 1 crore and D is 1 lakh. Okay. I hope you have written. Now you come to E. E. Here, Indian system of numeration, answer is given, yes, 10 crore. Now you see Indian system of numeration, 10 crore. Where is 10 crore? In the Indian system of numeration, 10 crore here. So now, what is the value of 10 crore in the international system of numeration? 100 million. Okay children, இப்போ question நமக்கு உல்டாவா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. எப்படி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Indian system value கொடுத்து international system கேக்குறாங்க. So Indian system 10 crore is equal to your international system 100 million. Okay, so you write in international system of numeration. What is the answer? What is the answer? 100 million. So you write the answer 100 million. Okay, right. 100 million. Okay, now you come to the question F. You see the Indian system of numeration. Your question is 1000. Where is 1000? Here. So what is the value in the international system of numeration? Same 1000 only. Okay, so the both system 1000 is equal to 1000 only. Okay children, so you will write the answer in the international system of numeration column. Your answer is 1000. Okay, page number 12 in question number 1. A part already done. B part. So write in Indian system of numeration column 10,000. Okay. Then after C, write in Indian system of numeration column 1 crore. Then D, next one. Write in Indian system of numeration column 1 lakh. Then E, write in international system of numeration column 100 million. Now you come to the F part. Write in international system of numeration column 1000. Okay, write it fast. Next question G. What is the answer? Try yourself. What is the answer? In the Indian place value, Indian system of numeration, 100 is equal to 100. You see the Indian place system of numeration 100. So what is the value of international system of numeration? Same 100 only. Okay. So therefore, in Indian system of numeration 100 is equal to, in the international system of numeration also same. Okay. So your answer is 100. So your answer 100 only. So you write in international system of numeration column. Okay. Yeah, G. Your answer is 100. Okay children, finish? Yes. Now you come to the next question, H. International system of numeration, what given? 100 million. Yes or no? Given or not? Given, yes. 100 million. So you see that 100 million in the international system of numeration here, 100 million. Okay, so now you see in the Indian place value system here. So 100 million is equal to 10 crore. 100 million is equal to 10 crore. So your answer is 10 crore. Okay, so write in Indian system of numeration column what? 10 crore. Okay, in international place value system 100 million is equal to, in Indian place value system 10 crore. Okay children, these both are equal. 100 million is equal to 10 crore. So that's why your answer is 10 crore. Now you come to the next one, I. Indian system of numeration is given, yes, that is 1 lakh. Where is 1 lakh? You see the Indian place value system. Okay, Indian 1 lakh here. So now you see the down. International place value system is, that is 100,000. Okay children, Indian system of numeration 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 in the international place value system. Okay, so 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So your answer is 100,000. Okay, so you write the answer in International System of Numeration column. Okay, I 100,000. Write carefully. Okay, so write neatly. Okay, children. Suppose any wrong will come means then you rub and write. Okay. ஏதாவது தப்பு வந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? ரப் பண்ணிட்டு திருப்பி எழுது. அடிச்சிட்டு மேல பென்சில் வச்சு அடிச்சிட்டு எழுத கூடாது. Do you understand? Yes. Now you come to the second question. First question over. Now you come to the second one. Okay. Mark the periods in the following according to the Indian and the International System of Numeration. First question finished. Now you come to the second one. Okay. Mark the periods in the following according to the Indian and International System of Numeration. Only your question is mark the periods. Very easy. Yes, children? Yes. So, first question, A part. In second question, A, okay. So, your question is, what's the question? One number is given 35, 93, 48, 625. Okay. So now mark the periods in both system. Okay, children. So first you mark the system using Indian system. Okay. So Indian system எப்படி mark பண்ணுவா? Period mark பண்ண போறோம். சரியா? So in Indian system first period ones period. Okay. So first of all you write the number. அப்படியே நம்பர் அங்க எழுதுவோம். 35 934 8625. Okay, children. Now you mark first period ones period in Indian system, then after you write in International Place Value System. Okay. Now Indian system first period ones period. Okay. So ones period consists of how many places? 3 places. Okay. So ones tens 100, 3 places, ones tens 100. So 100 after you put 1 comma. Okay. Next is this is ones period. Next is thousands period. Thousands period 2 places. Okay. 1000, 10,000. So 10,000 after put another 1 comma. Next is lakhs period. Lakhs 10 lakh. Okay. Another 1 comma. So ones period lakh, sorry, 1000 lakh 10 crore. Sorry, crore. Okay, children. So this is a Indian system of numeration. Next you write in International System of Numeration. Okay. So first of all you write the numbers. After you mark the period. First period ones period. That is 3 places. Okay. So ones, tens, 100 after you put 1 comma. Next is thousands period. Thousands period consists of again 3 places. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, children. Then after millions period. Million, 10 million, 100 million. So நீ நல்லா கவனி. உன்னோட இந்தியன் சிஸ்டத்துல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3 பிளேசஸ் ரெண்டுக்கும் சேம் தான். இங்கேயும் 3 பிளேசஸ் இங்கேயும் 3 பிளேசஸ் தான். ஆனா இந்தியன் சிஸ்டத்துல அப்புறம் என்ன செய்யணும்? 2 பிளேசஸா விட்டு கமா போடுவோம். ஆனா இன்டர்நேஷனல் சிஸ்டத்துல 3 எல்லாமே 3 டிஜிட்ஸ் தான். ஓகே. 3 பிளேசஸ் விட்டுட்டு என்ன செய்யணும்? கமா போடணும். அது எதுல? இன்டர்நேஷனல் சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் நியூமரேஷன்ல. பட் இந்தியன் சிஸ்டத்துல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உள்ளதுக்கு மட்டும் 3 பிளேசஸ். ஆஃப்டர் 2 places after you put 1 comma. Okay, children? Now clear? Yes. So write it in your home, sorry, book only. Okay, do it. Now write it in your book only. This is the book work only. Okay, now write it in your book. Second question, A part. Do it. Write the answer. The next one, B. Okay, now we mark the periods. one number is given. Okay, so now mark the periods to the Indian and international system of numeration. Okay children, do it. First of all, mark the periods in Indian system. Okay, so Indian system, first place, first ones period consists of 3 places. Okay, ones, tens, 100 after 1 comma. Next is 1000, 10,000 after 1 comma. After lakhs and 10 lakh after 1 comma. First 3 places, then after 2 places, after you put 1 comma. Okay children, so your number is 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay, now you come to the second question, second part, second answer in the international system. Okay, so now we mark the periods. International system, first is 3 places, so ones, tens, 100 after 1 comma. Next thousands period, again 3 places, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After millions also same, again 3 places, so million, 10 million, 100 million. So your number is 999,999,999. Okay children, it's so easy. Yes, yes. So the remaining C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, that's homework. Very easy homework. Yes children, so your homework is page number 12, question number 2. Okay, question number 2, the remaining sums. How many? C, D, yes, C, D, E, F, G, H. Yes, that's all. Okay, so do in book only. Okay, no need to write in your homework note, you do in book. Okay children, and second question, filling the blanks. You come to the third question. See the question, filling the boxes with the correct symbol less than or greater than or equal to. Okay, comparing. So all of you know, yes? So bigger number sign or greater number sign. Okay, you put the sign of bigger number sign or greater number sign. Okay, sorry, smaller number sign. Okay children, so you read and put the sign. Okay, எப்பவுமே பெரிய நம்பரோட சைன் எப்படி இருக்கும், அதோட மவுத் எப்படி இருக்கும், ஓப்பன்ல இருக்கும். that is greater symbol, greater than symbol. Okay, so greater than symbol oda mouth big இருக்கும், that's a crocodile mouth. Okay children, so do it carefully. Okay, so in the third question, filling the boxes with the correct symbol, that question also homework in your book only. Okay, so page number, same page, question number 3. Okay, fully. So this is the homework, do in book. Okay children, so your question, page number 12, in exercise 1.3, your question number 2 and 3, this is the homework, do in your book only. Okay, do in your book only, no need to copy in your max homework note. Okay children, do you understand? Yes. Okay, now we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.